welcome everyone back to another video. I'm on the Z800. Cadence CJHQ is on my ZX6R because this is the first time ever riding a big bike like that. He's probably pooping himself a little bit. It's right behind us. But yeah, we're just gonna go to the parking garage, do a little intro stuff there, and then yeah, we're just going on a little ride. There he is. He looks pretty good. Yeah, we're just gonna get his first reactions and everything, because he's never ridden a big bike. Then he possibly might hop on this thing for a little bit, but we'll see, we'll see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this looks good. It's fucking hot out though. It's like 90 something degrees, bro. Fuck. It's pretty fucking warm out right now. It's like a nice old 90 fucking 8 degrees or some shit. I don't even know how hot it is out here. It's pretty fucking hot though. Pop weird. Oh, dude, this thing is so much fucking torque. It's crazy. Oh god, what is that? What the fuck was that? Oh god, bumpy. Oh, I know his balls be hurting on those ones, or his ass. That bike has stiff ass suspension. This suspension is pretty like nice and soft. But that bike definitely has stiff ass suspension. Come on, I better gun that shit. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna head to the parking garage, get his first initial thoughts, and go from there. What's this person doing? But yeah, I hope he's enjoying the ride. His GoPro battery is dead, so he's not recording. Yeah, we're almost at the parking garage. It'll be a lot cooler in there for sure. Oh, this bike's so sick. Da, 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 da. What do you think?
Fucking fun.
Yeah?
You're right about the 8,000 RPM thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I didn't like obviously like do a pull, but I felt that shit. What the fuck?
Fire truck.
Yeah.
I don't know, look behind us, I'm like, what the fuck?
I know, I was like, well, we didn't do anything yet.
No, it was a fire truck.
No, but also, dude, fucking these mirrors are the moon. I so much better.
Yeah, they don't vibrate so much.
Yeah, no. Fucking this thing though is an actual fucking heater.
A heater?
Yeah.
It's because of a big ass fucking motor. Alright guys, we're gonna head out. We're gonna head out because it is hot as shit. We're gonna go relax. We're gonna go relax, eat some food because I'm hungry. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little video of Caden trying my ZX6R for the first time. Yeah, I'm gonna have my visor up because it's pretty goddamn warm out. And yeah, it feels hella nice with the visor up right now. I need to get shorty levers for this thing though. That shit would feel nice. At some point I'm gonna get shorty levers. I like the fender limiter on here, but I can't wait to get an integrated taillight so I can change that, so I don't have to have the blinkers on the fender eliminator, because I have a better idea for it. So you can see the bike sitting at 208 degrees in traffic right now, so yeah. I hope you guys have been enjoying my channel recently. I've been following out a motivation a little bit, but so if you guys can hit some buttons and help me out, I would definitely appreciate it. It's definitely been a little bit rough. Channel hasn't been doing that great, so it definitely sucks a little bit. But yeah. I appreciate all the love that whoever watches the channel. I appreciate it. I definitely do. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.